This is a 2000 Corvette convertible that happens to be an Indy pace car for that year. It's a black wrapped hood with that Chevy logo on it. Kind of a burnt orange paint job here. LS2 engine. It's an auction car at the Lakeland Airport. And when we get to the other side, you'll see the equipment that it has. And there's the logo on the seats. And here we have an equipment list. 48,000 original miles, supposedly. The soft top is black. That looks pretty nice. The headlight covers are a little cloudy, but that may be partially due to tinting, you don't know.